guys, it's me again, Jaco to mga Vacations. This is hopefully a quick video. It's a DIY pa rin, pero medyo kakaiba siya ngayon. So, NCR has been on quarantine since March 15, I think. So, we've been at home. I've been at home since Tuesday, hindi ako lumalabas. Pero prior to the quarantine kasi, ako at saka si hubby, we've been dead set on really giving myself a haircut. So, dapat magpapa-haircut na ako, pixie cut ulit like before. Kasi, ko pa lahat na resistensya at sustansya na pupunta na sa buhok ko. Kaya lang hindi natuloy. And because mainit na yung panahon, dahil magsa-summer na, tapos nakita ko si Chris. Hi Chris! Yung isang dati kong ka-team from my previous company na nag-self-haircut or nag-DIY haircut. Naisip ko gawin din. So, itatry ko sa sarili ko. Sakto wala si hubby, so walang pipigil sa akin. And I'm not sure how this will turn out. Pero, binibideo ko na lang din para ma-document yung aking whatever. Ayan, so, I hope it's a success. So, ito yung hair ko right now. Ayan, ganito siya kahaba. See? So, you can imagine kung bakit, ano na siya, ang init-init niya na ngayon. And actually, just today, 2 times na ako nag-vomit. I'm not sure if it was because sobrang init sa labas or sobrang init today. Or because I've been on antibiotics this past week and I think nagde-detox yung body ko. But I'm better now. That's why I decided na, go ahead, try giving myself a haircut habang wala si Tolitz. Hi, Daddy! So, ito na. So, I've watched through a couple of videos on YouTube. Maraming tutorial doon. And inspired nga doon sa office mate ko na nag-post earlier lang ang haircut niya. And I'm gonna do the same. So, actually, kailangan mo ng comb as much as possible. Wet yung hair mo. So, kailangan kong plancha namin. To wet my hair a bit. Special guest! So, may special guest ako. She's gonna wet my hair a bit kasi medyo natuyo na siya.
Hi!
Ayan, so, huwag masyado. Ayan, so, meron kasi tutorial na wet yung hair. Meron naman na pwede din sa dry. Pero since medyo curly yung hair ko and unruly siya, so I decided na i-wet na lang natin ng konti. Dito pa konti, bebe. Yan. So, you need a comb. Okay, thank you. You need comb, tapos hair tie, and scissor. Meron ako maliit na scissor pang hair, pero I decided to use this one. This is my favorite craft scissors. The brand is Westcott. So, favorite ko to. Walang gumagamit ito. Ako lang. Kasi, trusted and handy craft scissor ko siya. So, yung gawin natin, just comb your hair to remove tangles and then flip it over. So, I'm not sure if kita ako. Sada ko lang. So, mapang-sada ko lang tayo. Okay. And then you just have to comb your hair paharap. And then, yan. So, yung hair mo na galing sa likod should be here. And then yung nasa side-side. Yan. So, hopefully, I hope tama yung ginagawa ko. Kung hindi, okay lang naman kasi quarantine. So, wala naman makakakita sa akin for the next 3 weeks. You won't see my poor haircut if pumalpak man ako. And then at the same time, right after the quarantine, I'm gonna have my pixie cut naman ulit. So, kung ano man yung murder na gagawin ko sa hair ko ngayon, only a few people will probably see it. Yan, so, you just need to tie your hair to harap. Yan. Yan. So, I hope I did it right. Yan. Naka-comb na siya, forward lahat. Tapos sabi kasi dun sa isang tutorial na napanood ko, curly talaga siya, oh. Parang dapat yung hair mo, pwedeng pa ganyan. So, dapat naka-flat siya pa ganyan. And then you can cut it pa ganyan. The deeper daw yung V, mas layered siya. Meron naman isa na parang itatay niya pa dito. And then, yung ginagawa niya is ini-spread out niya yung hair niya. Tapos, kinakat niya straight pa ganun. Or I mean, at an angle pa ganun. So, dahil experiment lang to, I'm gonna do the one na yung parang mas simple. So, I'm just gonna do it this way. Yan. Paganyan. So, paganyan. Paganyan. And then, ito na. I'm gonna cut it. May pansalo ko ng hair dito. Baby wish na lock. Yan. So, try natin. Wala po. Tada! Tada siya! So, napag-tripan ko lang po talaga. Pasensya na po. And I hope it works. Pagka hindi lagot. So, ayan. So, after cutting my hair like that, ito na po siya. Ayan, ganyan na siya. So, it's curly kasi. So, okay lang din kahit hindi pantay. Kasi when it dries naman talaga, nagka-curl naman talaga yung hair ko. So, hindi naman halatang hindi siya pantay. Tapos, siguro, ang ganyan lang daw. Konting cream lang. Tan angle. Ayan na! Tapos, tingnan na natin how it will turn out. Tada! Tada! Ang gulo ng hair ko. Ayan. So, hindi naman siya masyado or sobrang ikse, pero naaliw lang ako dun sa idea. And I kinda wanna try nga na iksian pa siya ng matindi. Trivia pala guys, ang hati talaga ng hair ko ay sa gitna. But, dahil manipis yung hair ko and it has the tendency na mag-flatten sa face ko or sa head ko, nagmumukha daw akong katsapoidal. So, I've trained na ilagay sa gilid. Sorry, dito pala. Ilagay sa gilid yung hati ng hair ko. Ayan na siya. So, yeah. See? Difference ba? Or cut ko pa siya ng shorter?
Need any help with spraying? Because I think you should cut shorter.
Yeah, no, wait lang na. Let's show it to them.
Cut short.
Shorter pa daw.
Here's my hair now. She did it on me.
Yeah, played with her kanina. I cut her hair.
Literally played with me.
So, ayan na siya, guys. Oh, nagpa-fly away yung bangs ko.
I'm just playing.
My curls are quite unruly. Pero yan, hindi naman masyadong malaki yung nagupit ko pa. So, I can still cut it a bit more pa. Pero at the back. Hindi masyadong difference, no? I think kinat. Pero di know, mas layered na siya ngayon kumpara kanina na halos straight siya. So, pag-isipan ko if I will cut some more. And show ko na lang sa after na photo kung ano na itsura niya. See, may bangs na ako. Oh, may bangs na ako. May bangs na ako, guys! So, ayan. Thanks, guys. And, siguro yung few words ko, no? So, I'm trying to make light of the situation. But I know that everyone is kind of feeling anxious about the situation with COVID and all, no? Pero, I think now is not the time that we should speak fear or we should meditate on fear. But we should actually meditate on God's faithfulness. Keep the faith, be prayerful. So now is a good time to really reach out to God, open your Bible, and pray, and spend time with your family, mag-devotion kayo, and, you know, just continue to confess the goodness of God, His faithfulness, and believe in your heart, full of faith na this will be over soon, and God will always make a way for us. Okay, thanks guys! Bye-bye!